Okay, Genesis. You act so cute. What's up, y'all? We back with a new video. This will be another productive video. So today I'm getting my lashes done. I'm going to a birthday dinner. I'm gonna see my friends. Have to buy a gift for my friend because if I go empty-handed, I'll be very rude of me. And I think more to it, but we'll see what happens in the way. But let's get this video started. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get ready now. Okay, guys, here's the final touch of my lashes. They are so cute. She really ate them up. Clock that tea. Alright, I'm at my friend's house right now. We're waiting for her to come because this girl's taking forever. She's getting out of work, but she will hurry up. I gotta hurry up with that. It's getting grown, okay? Okay, Genesis, who's this? Like, we leaving right now. She made it, guys, of course.
Work was tiring. And people were coming in last minute.
Honestly, I wouldn't come. I wouldn't gone low key. I would have canceled late last minute because if you're that tired, I wouldn't go.
No, people were like, okay, we close at 6 also, right, on Sundays, and people kept coming.
Alright, y'all, we going in the car. You sit in the front? I'm sitting in the front.
Yes, in the front.
Alright.
Yeah.
For you guys.
Right, I think this one's too. Yeah, here's the
What's this right here? That's your purse?
That's my bag.
Oh, that's your bag? I'll put it right here. Yeah, guys.
code.
We can't see me. I'm so black. It's crazy. That's
I know black. I know black.
That's what she said. We can't see you either, so. She said that, but we can't see her. Yeah, guys. We're leaving. What Spanish we do or something? I don't know. English, Spanish, it don't matter. She's getting pretty, guys. Look at her. Wait, let me put this light on. Give me some light here. I'm sorry. Okay, period.
Give it to me.
Hey. We made it, guys. It's the mall. I'll meet you guys inside. We made it to the mall, guys. We're in the mall right now. We outside. Look at the fit. Hold up. I gotta show you guys the fit afterwards when we get in there. Stay tuned for my Instagram because we're taking some pics at the place now. Let's see. I'm hungry too, guys. I don't know what we're getting. We're here. It's the birthday girl here. Period. She looks so cute. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Show the vlog. Show the vlog. Oh, you're still vlogging? Cheers! Woo! Fit for today. Fit. I took a camera because why not? Birthday girl. This girl. I know, they're out there taking photos. It's really cool. I gotta show you guys the pictures. Yeah. Alright, yeah, my food came. Look at how it looks. It looks so good. We're leaving. Alright, yeah, we're gonna get my food for tomorrow. Alright, y'all, I'm waiting for This girl's crazy, guys. Yo, this girl's crazy. This is what she sent me. She's right here behind me, sitting down. I'm gonna show you guys right now what she sent me. Get your girl, bro. Look at her. Guys, I got my food. Okay, ready? Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, I'm about to end this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep following for more.